Now let us calculate the mean deviation about median age for the age distribution of 100 persons, which is given below here. So age and numbers, so 16 to 20 and so on. Now this given data is not continuous. Okay, therefore it has to be converted into continuous frequency distribution by subtracting, that is 0.5 from the lower limit and adding 0.5 to the upper limit of the each class interval. And the table formed here is, so this is age. Let us look at numbers. Numbers are the same, that is, so numbers 5, 6, 12 and so on, and cumulative frequency, that is CF. Okay, so it is 5 plus 6, 11, uh, and 11 plus 12 is 23, right? 23, and then 37, right? And then 63, 75, 91 and 100, right? And let us write down the midpoint, okay, which is xi. Okay, so that is 18. Yeah. Okay, so we got the midpoint, and then xi minus median, and also let us write down fi multiplied into xi minus median. Okay, so that is 100, 90. So so we got this, and then a summation of these be equal to 735. Okay, so the class interval containing n by 2 the term, or which is 50th item, which is what is the 50th item here? That is 35.5. Okay, 35.5 to 40.5. So therefore the median class, therefore 35.5 and for 40.5 is the median class, right? Okay, and it is known that median is equal to I plus that is lower limit, which is 35.5, n by 2 minus c by f into h, right? So here L will be 35.5, or the interval I, which is 35.5, and C is 37, right? And F is 26. And the frequency is 26. Okay, and H, the interval, right, which is 5, and N, which is 100. Okay, so let us write this. So median will be median will be 35.5 plus 50 minus 37 by 26, okay, which is multiplied into 5 So this would result to 38. Okay, after simplification. Okay, and this the median deviation, the mean deviation about the median is given by m, right? So 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to 8. Okay, fi xi minus m, okay, which is 1, 1 by 100 into 735, okay, which is 7.35. So that is the answer. Um, Let us find the mean and the variance for the given data, which is 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, and 12, right? So to find that, first let us find the mean here. So mean will be the which is represented as x bar, right? So that is summation of we have uh, 8 here, so I is equal to 1 to 8, right? So xi is right? So that is 6 plus 7 plus 10 plus 12 plus divided by n number of this, so which is 8. So 12, 13, 4, 8, 12 by 8, right? So which is 9. Okay, now the following table is obtained here, or right on xi's and xi minus x bar, right? Okay, so that will be, yeah, and further, okay, and xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, so let us find that quickly. So this will be 6, x I minus x bar will be minus 3, so this will be 9, and let us write down quickly. Okay, so now adding all this, summing up, this would be 74. Now the formula for the variance, to find the variance, that is sigma square, that is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to 8, right? This is xi minus x bar whole square, right? So 1 by 8 into 74, which is 9.25. So that is the solution. Now let us find the mean and the variance for the first n natural numbers, right? So the mean of the first n natural numbers, which can be calculated as that is mean is the sum of all the observation of all observation, right, by the number of observations. Okay, so which is n into n plus 1 by 2 by n, so which is n plus 1 by 2, right? And the variance is sigma square, which is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n, okay, x minus x bar whole square. Okay, this is x bar, so this is xi, okay, general term. So this is 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n. Now this is xi minus n plus 1 by 2. This is whole square. Okay. Now further, this will be 1 by n summation I is equal to 1 to n, right? This is xi whole square minus 1 by n, right? Taking 1 by n common, and this is a minus b whole square. So this is I 1 to n, right? So 2ab, 2 into a, which is xi, okay, into b is n plus 1 by 2, right? And plus 1 by n, and this is b square, b whole square. That is summation n is equal to 1 to n, right? This is n plus 1 by n by 2, right? By 2. Okay, this is whole square. Okay. Further, and further, this would be which is 1 by n. So n into n plus 1 and 2n plus 1 divided by 6 minus n plus 1, right, by n, right, multiplied into n plus 1 by 2 plus n plus 1 whole square by 4n into n. So further simplifying, so this is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square by 2 plus n plus 1 whole square by 4, and this is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus n plus 1 whole square by 4. So which results to as n plus 1 multiplied to 4n plus 2 minus 3n minus 3 by 12. So this would result to n plus 1 and n minus 1 by 12, or this is n squared minus 1 by 12. So this is the solution, the variance. Now let us find the mean. Let us find the mean and the variance for the following data: xi's and fi's. Okay, write down. Let us write down the table for this. So given is xi and fi. So we have fi into xi and xi minus x bar, right? And then square of this, okay, and then fi multiplied xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, let us write down. Yeah. So the summation of fi, which is 40, and we need summation of fi into xi, which is 760, and this is 169, 81, 25, 125, 81, and then 121. Okay, multiplied with this, so that would be 338, 324, 175, 12, 200, 324, and 363. The summation of this would be 17, that is 6, right? So n is 40. Okay, this is 40, and summation of I is equal to 1 to 7, right? Phi into xi, which we got as 760, right? So x bar, which is summation of this, so this would be fi to xi by 10, 760 by 10, which is 19. Okay, and the variance here, 1 by n summation fi into xi minus x bar whole square. So that is 1 by 40 multiplied into 1736, right, which results to 43.4.